Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. The Bargain Bead Box has come early this month. I'm really excited about it. This month's theme is Farmhouse Fresh. Cool country colors of white and gray coordinate with a pop of fresh green and a touch of earthy brown tones. You always get a coupon code to their sister store, beadboxbargains.com. And let's see, they also have a creation contest. Show us what you make with your shipment, and you'll be entered to win $50 gift certificate to Bead Box Bargains. That goes a long way at Big Box Bargains. Let's see. You show them your creations at facebook.com/bargainbeadbox. Alright, on the other side is shipment identification key. There's 22 items. Approximate retail value for this shipment is $76. Let me get everything organized and I'll be right back. Alright, number one. 2 pieces of 26 by 19 mil glass leaf pendants. I've seen these before. Have we gotten these before? I've definitely seen these. They look like it says they're glass, but it looks like aventurine and feels like it. Number 2 is some chain. Looks like Rollo. 1 meter, 3 by 1 mil steel Rollo jewelry chain, and it is in gunmetal. Perfect size chain. Love the 3 mil Rollo. Looks well made. And I love the fact that we get a meter, because there's plenty to do what you need to. If you want to make a long necklace, 12 inches just don't cut it. Alright, so there's that. Number 3, approximately 7.5 inch strand, 8 millimeter coconut shell wood rondelle beads. That's strange. Is it coconut shell or wood? They feel like wood, they feel white, you know, but number 4, 6-piece 12 mil glass round beads. Nice big white beads. I'm loving the white and cream colors lately. There's really not much to zoom in and look at. Number 5. 2 pieces, 52 by 21.5 millimeter key pendants. These are cute. And they're in gunmetal. I think, yeah. Number 6 is Chandelier Components. 4 pieces, 33 by 25 millimeter swirled chandelier components. It's a nice size, pretty big. Alright, number 7. 10-gram bag of 13 by 19 millimeter swirled links. And we've gotten these before in silver, and I had some in antique bronze, but I'm not sure where I got those. But these are good to bead on top of, or as a connector, or just attached to ear wire and a dangle for a pair of earrings. This is a few ideas you could do with them. Number 8, 20 pieces of 9 millimeter scallop bead caps. Number 9, approximately 14-inch strand, 3.5 by 3 mil crystal rondelle beads, grayscale mix. It's pretty white, gray, and black. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber to the Bargain Bee Box, at the link below, use coupon code JewelryArt, one word, to get $2 off your first box. I love these. I love the little rondelles. Nice mix of color as well. Oops. Number 10. What is number 10? 2 pieces, approximately 14 by 12 mil, handmade porcelain sheep beads. It looks like a ram. See the horns? Or a goat. It's got little eyes. It's got spots and a tail. Cute. The hole goes up and down through the body here, like that. Number 11. 5 pieces, 15 by 10 millimeter, swirled tab beads. These are awesome. They're sort of almost flat. They're kind of puffed in the center. Really cute. Okay, number 12. There's some toggle clasps. And they are 4 sets. Ornate toggle clasps, 19.5 by 16 mil. We've gotten these before. They're a great size, nice, but they're in gunmetal, which is nice. I don't have much gunmetal. Okay. Number 13. 10 pieces, 9 by 10 mil crystal faceted pear beads. Oh, they are. They're fatter at the one end and skinnier at the next. You see that? Fat at the top and got a smaller bottom. This will make for a nice drop, maybe. Alright, number 14. 7.5 inch strand, 8 mil, natural halite round beads. I like halite. You've got a little grace run through the middle of the beads. Alright. Number 15 is more halite. 10 piece strand, 10 mil halite English cut. Faceted. Really, English cut beads aren't cheap. I like those. Okay, number 16. What are those? Bonus, 2-piece, approximately 22 mil polymer clay succulent cabochons. Oh boy, look at those. Huh. And cabs. With the flat back. Those are different. Put these up there. $17, 100-piece, 3.2 mil steel spacer beads, gunmetal finish. And those are the 3 mil spacer beads, nice to have. Okay, number 18. What is, oh, 1 pair, approximately 13.5 by 10 mil surgical steel ear stud with loop. Okay. Let's see, here's the ear post. Then you've got a flat space and a loop. Like you could actually glue something on that flat space, or that flat space is decorative. It's got polka dots. Okay. Number 19, 48 to 55 mil natural halite slab pendant. Boy, that's heavy. That's a big piece of halite. Look at that big hole. Boy, that you'd made a chunky leather maybe necklace with this. That'd be pretty with the halite beads. It's heavy. Okay, number 20. 20-piece strand, 8 mil green line jasper faceted round beads. Green line jasper. I don't think I've heard of it. And those are finely faceted, almost like a disco ball facet. Okay. Number 21 is 8-inch strand, 6x4 mil, crystal rondelle, sea green jade. It's a pretty color. Looks like sea glass or milky. Really nice. I don't know what to do with it. Are you guys inspired by this box? Let me know in the comments. Number 22, 20 piece, 35 mil, 24 gauge brass ball head pin. In gunmetal. I'm not going to take them out. I'll zoom in. Look at the little ball. I like the ball head pins. And that's in gunmetal, as I said, I think. So we got a good bit of stuff in this box. I am quite inspired by the halite. I like these flat beads. I love the little 3 mil rondelles. The gemstones always. I do like gunmetal. I don't work with it enough, so you know, it gives me, it actually almost, I don't want to say forces, but in a way it forces me to use things and put colors together that I normally wouldn't put together. So that's why I love these subscription boxes. Takes me out of my comfort zone. So all there is left to say is I will make a video to show you what I made. Take care. Oh, don't forget, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. I love to hear from you guys. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.